All right, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of all the features of this Owala, tell you why it's giving that other popular tumbler a run for its money. We're also going to do two tests, a spill test and an ice test to see whether or not this is truly leak-proof and see exactly how long it keeps ice in your cup. First, a really quick walkthrough of some of the features that makes this really unique. First, you have a really interesting cap here. And it has this locking mechanism that you pop open and can double as a hook. So you can carry it around or hook it onto a backpack. It also has this button release, which reveals both a straw and a chug option. That's right. This actually attaches to a straw so you can sip, or you can just choose to chug. So first I had this, I actually put really pulpy lemonade in here and it wouldn't really fit through the straw, but I was able to chug it through the cap. I really like the fact that this cup gives you options. Speaking of which, let's take a look once you unscrew it. There's the little straw it comes with. This is detachable. And by the way, this entire thing is machine washable, but they do recommend you hand wash it. I just machine washed mine and it looks fine. But now let's get to the spill proof test and the ice test, shall we? Okay, so I just filled it up with water. You can see it right there. We're going to put the entire contraption back on and see whether or not it's truly spill proof. And by the way, it's spill proof even without the lock. But check this out. The lock just adds extra security. No problems whatsoever. Now let's get to the ice test to see exactly how long it's going to keep your drinks cold and ice in your cup. Okay, I've now filled my Owala to the brim with ice. I'm going to put the lid on, let it sit, and see exactly how long it's going to keep that ice in that cup in my water cold. Okay, this is our 8-hour check-in. All right, so we'll let these sit overnight, and then we will check in again at the 24-hour mark and see how we do. Okay, now we're ready for the 24-hour check-in. Oh, guys, look at this. If y'all can see this properly, let me get this into the light. There is a substantial amount of ice left in here. I mean, there's like a big chunk. Okay, it is now hour 30. Let's see how the ice is holding up. Still ice, hour 30. I mean, it's a little bit, not like a ton. But yeah, good to go. Maybe I'll check in another couple hours and see exactly how long it takes to melt. Okay, we're now at 33 hours, what I'm guessing will be the final check-in. Let's see what we've got. Just a little bit of ice left at the 33-hour mark. It's pretty late. I mean, I'll check in one more time in the morning, but I expect it to be all be gone. I would basically call this one at about 33 plus hours. Okay, so final checks just for good measure. It's now been a full 48 hours, and I don't expect to see any ice, but I'm going to see whether or not the water is still cold at least. Yeah, okay, so the ice is officially gone, but the water is definitely still chilly, which is really impressive at the 48-hour mark.